Schwab Intelligent Portfolio Review 2025 Cash Allocation Tax Loss Harvesting. Is it worth it? You won't believe how investing has evolved. Schwab Intelligent Portfolios in 2025 combined automated wealth management with personalized strategies. But is it worth your money? Schwab's robo-advisor builds a diversified portfolio using its tailored to your risk tolerance and goals. The surprising truth is cash allocation. Most people get this wrong by assuming cash sits idle, but Schwab may hold a portion of your portfolio in cash to manage risk and ensure liquidity. Another key feature is tax loss harvesting. You won't believe what happens next when the system automatically identifies losses to offset gains, potentially reducing your tax bill without extra effort. However, there are cons. Automatic cash allocation may slightly lower returns compared to fully invested portfolios. Some advanced investors may find the options too limited compared to self-directed trading. In conclusion, Schwab Intelligent Portfolios is ideal for hands-off investors seeking diversified portfolios, automated tax efficiency, and risk management in 2025. If you want convenience with professional guidance, it's a strong choice. For active traders who prefer full control, manual investing might still be better.